Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Sabreena Haque, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Ch-8. Dear students, today I am going to take a science class for class 5 student on the based on matching from chapter 8. Dear students, take your textbook. Open chapter 8 and follow the class with your textbook and with your copy. So dear students, let's move for our today's topic. This is the matching 1 of chapter 8. This is the left side and this is the right side. In the left side there is the northern hemisphere of the earth tilting. Now B, the sun. C, the path planets moving around. D, light takes around 1.3 seconds. And D, E, the orbital motion of the earth. And here in the right side, number 1 is does not move, number 2 is around the sun is called revolution, that will be U, dear student, that will be U, revolution. Then number 3, towards the sun cause the summer. Number 4, to raise the moon. Number 5, the sun is called orbit. Number 6, observe the universe. And number 7, to travel from the moon to the earth. Dear students, now we will match it. The solution of matching here, A will be matched with the northern hemisphere of the earth tilting, that will be number 3 will be matched with number A, towards the sun cause the summer. So I will write A plus 3, the northern hemisphere of the earth tilting towards the sun causes the summer. Now we will match B with the sun, that will be does not move, that means B will match with 1. The sun does not move. Now I will match C, the path of planets moving around. It will be matched with 5. The sun is called orbit. The path planet moving around the sun is called orbit. Now I will match D. Light takes about 1.3 seconds. It will be matched with 7, to travel from moon to earth. Now last one, E, the orbital motion of the earth, that will be matched with 2 around the sun is called revolution. sorry, it will be matched with 2. The orbital motion of the Earth around the Sun is called revolution. Dear students, I have finished my today's topic. Hope you have understood. If you feel in any problem, you can contact with me. I have given my contact number on the board. Keep practicing, learn all previous question answer and read the chapters properly, and stay safe, stay home. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.